Well, good morning. This is Shop Talk with Buck, Monday, September the 2nd. We have a visitor in our shop today. As you can see, she has come in here and taken over. So the sawdust solution with Buck is no more.
See, he built this nice bench, and look at my stuff fits on it so perfectly.
Oh boy, and that's what you've been doing too. Look at the stuff. Daggone. We have got laser engraving going on. I mean, got the cup. Oh gosh.
The signs we did this morning.
Yeah, look at these signs. I'll bring y'all in here and we all can see these signs. They turn pretty good. This laser engraving stuff's cool. Hey, looky here.
I don't know why you can't find a room for me down here.
Oh.
I can see stuff to move. Give me an inch. I'll take them all.
Yeah, that you will.
It's okay.
Yeah. Do the cup and look here.
We didn't think we was going to get that one because it was already made.
Yeah, but we finagled around and got it.
Did you get the dog?
Yep, sure did. We have got it going on, I mean.
And see, I want your audience to tell you to give me a little spot. I don't need this big. Just give me a little bit, like 4 feet. 4 feet.
How you gonna fit all this in 4 feet?
Well, I don't know.
So you got stuff over there, and over there, and over there. This ain't all of it.
No, there's a lot left in the basement.
Yeah, we ain't moved all that over here. So I think it's time to move everything back to the basement. What do y'all think?
You going to evict me?
I'm sure thinking about it. You can't take over. I still got a dry sink to do.
But yeah, it's time to go back.
Yeah, I know.
But can we show them how to make a cup before we go back?
Yeah, we can.
See? Over there.
Oh, we're going to do that one? We already did that one.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get set up and we'll show you how we do a cup. The first pass, cut to the coating that's on the cup. The second pass is actually etching the metal. Let's take a look and see what we got.
Look at that. Very good.
Like I say, the first time goes over, does the coating, and the second time that polishes the metal. Didn't think it was doing anything. Kind of got a little boo-boo right there.
Uh-oh.
So I guess I'll take this cup.
You gonna take the boo-boo cup?
Yeah, I'll take it. But I tell you what though, it's funny I had a boo-boo on the second one. The first one is perfect.
Perfect.
Oh well, the hardest thing we've done was that. But a piece of wood, it is. I guess metal's got its own unique. But there's one thing about it though. If you look at this, it's metal.
Did excellent.
He did good on that chisel. Sure.
I think you're gonna
sure did.
brand everything, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Until you kick me out.
Well, yeah, it does take up a lot of room. We'll figure something out.
See?
Well, all right then. We will see you guys and gals on the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed our laser engraving And I know we enjoyed it. So we will see you on the next one, and y'all be safe.
Have a great Labor Day.
You too.
Bye. I'm going to labor him.
Yeah.